Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Google Maps and signing in so your preferences save. Next, set the vehicle profile to truck when the option exists. This ensures height, weight, and restricted road data apply. Once done, type your origin and destination and tap directions to generate an initial path. Pay attention because the first route is a baseline. Make sure required truck dimensions are entered in settings or during route creation, so Google can avoid low bridges and other truck restrictions. Now refine the route by entering exact truck dimensions and cargo type where available. This prevents bridges and prohibited roads. Then open route options to toggle tolls, ferries, and motorways based on permits and cost. Make sure to weigh time versus expense. Once that's set, add mandatory stops in the correct sequence for deliveries or driver rest. You can drag the route on desktop to adjust. These steps create a legally compliant and efficient path that reflects real-world constraints. Finish by starting navigation and enabling offline maps for the corridor if signal may drop. This preserves your truck settings. While driving, watch real-time traffic alerts and accept suggested alternates when delays or closures appear, because dynamic changes keep you safe and on schedule. If Google routes you onto an unsuitable road, stop safely, re-enter your truck's dimensions, or restart the route calculation. This usually forces a compliant recalculation. Remember, keeping the truck profile accurate prevents most routing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.